How to check in on the Southwest Airlines app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Southwest Airlines app. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Here, simply log into your account. After you're logged into your account, you will find a page. If you don't have an account right now, you can also click on Continue as Guest at the bottom, and it will lead you to this page. Here, simply click on Need to Check In. Then add your confirmation number. After you've added your confirmation number, add your first name and last name. Press on Retrieve Reservation. And after you do that, it will lead you to your page and you will be able to check in. This is how to check in on the Southwest Airlines app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.